Hello friends, in this video we will see how to perform data-driven tests using a CSV file. In this video I'll be using the same feature file that was used in the last video, that is part 2 of the Karate Soup series. We will be just modifying it to get data from the CSV file. There would be a few steps involved. Step 1 would be to create a CSV file and add sample data. Step 2 would be to comment out the table added in the previous video. Step 3, add a reference to the CSV file under the example section of our feature file. Let's move over to our IDE. First and foremost, I will create a CSV file with the sample data that we are going to use to test the feature file. I'll name the CSV file as number2$. Let's add the num and expected placeholders, and then we will add our expected and actual values as comma separated values. Let's move over to the feature file. Step 2 would be to comment out the table added in the previous video, and then I'll add the reference to the CSV file. Within the pipes I'll add read, and within brackets, within quotes, just copy the name of the CSV file and add it, and now we should be good to go. Let's right click and run this feature file. Okay, everything has passed. Let's just check the values. If the correct values are, yes, this looks good. $50, yes, that's fine. Okay, let's open up the HTML report, paste it in the run, and okay, so everything is green, looks good. Let's just check. $10. So our expected was $20 and actual is $20. So final value $50. Yes, that matches the expected. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe.